20 Minutes Setswana presents
Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're learning about things that we find inside the house. First of all, the word for bed in Sesotho is bete. The word for chair is setulo. The word for table is tafole. The word for television is televishene. The word for door in Sesotho is lemati. And the word for window is vensetere. So, we have bete, tafole, televishene, setulo, lemati, vensetere. And now you can use these words in sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Bye.